Well, new tonight, 2 on Your Side is learning about a drastic situation over in Oneida County. 5 construction workers were injured when an exterior elevator became detached from a hotel that was under construction at a casino in the town of Verona. Now, this accident happened at Turning Stone Casino this afternoon as the exterior elevator was being removed from the construction site. The facility is currently undergoing several expansion projects, including a new hotel, bar, and expo center. Officials say the workers here were conscious and transported to area hospitals. It is not clear if they were on the elevator at the time of the accident.
It was an exterior elevator that was being removed. So they have a construction elevator that is created for when going up and down as they're building it, and that was being removed today. This is a space that is far removed from any guests or any traffic of any kind, so it's a pretty contained area, so there was no other damage.
And the cause of the accident is now under investigation at this hour.